Hi guys, hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it may be right now, in any part of this whole wide world that you're watching this video. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance, guys. I want to show you something this evening. My children, I don't know, today they just decided to be on rapper. I wore them clothes and as normal woman being, I bath them or can't carry clothes to give them, but I don't know, they just decided to be on rapper today. Let me show you what they are doing. Sweep it very well, sweep very well. So you want to put it in your mouth, right? Drop it for her, let her sweep it. I don't even know why people are tying wrapper. The whole world will see you today. Oh yeah. Let's go and get back up for Mercy has run away, but I will follow her. I'm going to follow her. I show you. She has run away. Let's follow her.
Hi guys, I'm sweeping.
Hi guys, I'm sweeping. Do you know you will wash your hand? See what you are doing with the broom. That one has run away. You know what? I want to say congratulations to us. Congratulations to us for our 1,000 subscribers on this channel, guys. Congratulations to us. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to Hi. Despite the, ups and downs. Oh my God, it is not by our power, it's not by my might, not because I can do it, but thank you so much. We are now more than 1,000 subscribers, and God bless you. Thank you for supporting me from time to time. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for everything. I just don't know how to appreciate it. But thank you so much, Thank you so much. And if you are hearing me and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Now this channel is full of fun. You will know more about me. Gist is all about, this channel in particular is all about gist, family vlog, trending news. We do have about so much on this channel. At the same time, faith. Yes, we share the word of God as well on this channel. This channel is basically an amazing channel, and you can testify to it through our comments. Go through the comment sections under each videos and watch our videos. Don't forget to drop your comments, like our video, and I wanted to keep on supporting this channel, to hit so many milestones ahead of us, guys. We still have a lot to do. So guys, we still have a long thing to do together. We still have a long way to go. So guys, please, I want you to continue to support me. Subscribe to my channel. Anytime you see my video, just keep liking the video, drop comments, let me know how you feel about the video, if I'm doing the right thing or not. Then this hour I'm going to tell you the reason why we'll change our name from Mayale's Kitchen to Mayale's Empire, because if this is just the main reason I said it's very important for me to share with you the reason why, I see that it's very important for me to share with you the reason why we'll change the name of this channel from Mayale's Kitchen to Mayale's Empire, guys. Just because if we should continue as Mayale's Kitchen. Then whatever we are going to be doing on this channel will not go out of kitchen. We'll be all about kitchen things, cooking, anything about kitchen. But once this channel is basically for my family vlog, food vlog, fashion, you know, gisting, and trending news. So why don't you just change it to Mayale's Empire? You know the meaning of empire, that we are in charge of all things, you know, guys. So that was just the reason why we changed the name of this channel from Mayale's Kitchen to Mayale's Empire. And please follow us too on Facebook. We are the name of our page on Facebook is also Mayale's Kitchen, and we have Mayale's TV on Facebook as well. So follow us. If you want me to collaborate with you, to do any business with you, you can as well meet me. I'll drop my email in the description box below, and how you can contact me. So let's be friends on Facebook. One more time, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for the support that you gave to me, because we have hit 1K now. Even we are more than 1K. So thank you so much, and please keep on supporting me, keep on liking my video, tell somebody about this channel. I love you so much, and I can't trade your love for anything. So this is just the reason why we change our name from Mayale's Kitchen to Mayale's Empire. Stay tuned to this channel. We love you, and whatever video you want to see on this channel, please let me always see in the comment section below. Whatever you want to be seen, maybe you have any idea what you want me to share, what you want me to talk about, what you want me to share on this channel, let me know in the comment section below or through my email address. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I can't trade your love for anything. Nothing, you know, nothing can share your love in my heart. I can't share your love with anything on earth. So thank you so much. I love you, and I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. Keep on subscribing, and anytime you see ads on my video, please watch the ads. Those are where we can that is another way in which you can as well support me. Watch the ads fully before you start watching the video, and I promise, I cross my heart, you know, guys, I cross my heart, I'm going to be giving you wonderful content. What you want, what you would like to see is what I'll be giving you right now. So thank you so much. I love you. See you next time in my next video. Bye.